Yes. Now let us start with the discussion of the poem that I set for lioness. Okay. So the first question is, in the first stanza, find words that show. First is that it was very cold. Which word shows that it was very cold? Which word shows that it was very cold? Speak. I think that you people are in confusion about that. It is rime. Rime means frost. This is the reason why we come to know that it was very cold weather when he set out for his journey to Lyoness. Second one is that it was late evening. Which word shows that it was late evening?
Starlight.
Yes,
Starlight.
the word starlight
Starlight.
shows that it was late evening. Starlight. Next, that the traveler was alone.
Lonesomeness.
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 Okay, fine. Lonesomeness shows that the traveler was all alone. No. Something happened at Lyoness. No, it was improbable.
Unforeseeable.
Huh?
Unforeseeable.
Yes,
Unforeseeable.
Unforeseeable.
Unforeseeable means because nobody can guess that what would happen to the poet there. Not even the wisest wizard and the prophet would tell that what would happen. Okay. So these are the lines. Yes, next is given. Pick out the lines from stanza 2 to justify your answer. So, which are the
No
lines?
No
prophet
prophet
Just
declared.
does declare,
the
nor
one.
did the wisest wizard guess what
Hmm.
would be chance at Linus.
Yes, what would chance at Linus, right? Next. Next is read the line from stanza 3 that implies the following. Everyone noticed something and they made guesses but didn't speak a word. Now read the line that refers to what they noticed.
All marked with surmise.
Yes? All?
All
All
marked
marked
with
with
mute surmise.
nice.
Okay. All marked with mute surmise means what they have noticed cannot be explained, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so I think that these questions, they are to be done on the book only, right? Now, today we are going to do extracts, okay, to have clear understanding and deep understanding of the poem, right? So let us write down these extracts side by side in your notebooks also. Let us start. So the question will be, so I am going to stop that share and I'm going to highlight here. Yes. So read the following extracts and answer the
Excuse me,
question.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम हमारे लास्ट क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट रह गया.
Last question, second part. Now read the line that refers. We have done this.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am,
रिपीट
we
कर
have
दो.
done.
We have done this and answer the questions that follow. Answer the questions that follow. So first extract is, here is the first extract here. First is set for lioness till 100 miles away or miles away. Till here, we have to write the question answers. So, give me an answer for first or A part. It is Where did the poet set out for? Where he has set out for? Yes. Where did the poet set out for? Speak the answer. Speak the complete answer.
The poet set out for land.
For his journey to Lyoness. Okay. Next. What does the word rhyme mean? What does the word rhyme mean? Yes, what does the word rhyme mean?
The word rhyme means frost.
It means frost. Very good. And how far was Lyoness? How far was Lyoness? How far was Lyoness? How far was Lyoness?
100 miles away.
It was 100 miles away.
100 miles away.
100 miles away. Next, who accompanied the poet on his journey? Who accompanied the poet on his journey? Yes, tell me who accompanied the poet on his journey? Yes, who?
Starlight.
Huh? Who accompanied the poet on his journey? Yes, give the answer. Who accompanied?
Starlight.
No, Starlight. Okay.
Prophet.
Okay, but actually
Ma'am, no one.
he was alone.
Prophet.
Yes. Okay. Nobody accompanied the poet on his journey. He was all alone. Okay. Now, E is choose a word which means all alone. Yes, which is the word?
Lonesomeness.
Lonesome.
Loneliness.
The word
Loneliness.
all alone is lonesomeness. Okay. And what led the poet's lonesomeness? What led the poet
Starlight.
lonesomeness? Speak the complete line. What led
Starlight lit
it was
the poet's
starlight.
lonesomeness.
Or starlight that lit the poet's lonesomeness. Okay. And why did the poet visit there? Now the last question I'm writing here is G. So many questions. See, why did the poet visit Lioness or visit a parish? Anything can be there. Yes, why he has gone there?
To supervise the restoration of a church.
Yes, because he is an apprentice. What he is? He is an apprentice architect. And for what purpose he has gone? Gone there
To supervise the
to supervise the restoration of a church. To supervise the restoration of a
Church.
okay, right? Is it clear? This is complete
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
explanation as well as including questions for stanza 1. Now let us move to the next one. Let me rub it down so that we can start with the second one. Yes. Second one, now extract 2. It is what would and sojourn there. sojourned there. So the first question is, what is lioness? What is lioness? What it is?
Name of the place.
Okay, it is the name of a place, but actually it is an imaginary place. Okay, of course it is the name of a place, but actually what it is an imaginary place.
The
Okay,
mythical birthplace of Sir Christian.
yes,
मैम इसमें ये आ सकता है the mythical birthplace of Sir Christian.
yes, actually it is with Sir Christian. Okay, I'm not going into that explanation because it is related with Christianity and it is so deep. We don't have complete information about Sir Christian. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
related with that. This is the reason why I have not explained it. Okay, next one is, what does the word sojourn mean? What does the word sojourn mean?
Stay.
It means stay. Okay, it means stay. Name the literary devices or name the poetic devices used in this extract. Which are the poetic devices used here in this extract? Yes,
Anaphora.
anaphora. You will explain anaphora, where it is anaphora. For example, that,
And then
like what would be chance? Okay, what would be chance? Okay, what would be chance while I should sojourn there? Okay, this line you will explain. This line is used in the starting as well as in the last of this extract. And after this, anaphora and which other poetic device? In between the stanza, in between this stanza, which other poetic device is used? It is
alliteration.
alliteration. Right, it is alliteration. So you will write examples of alliteration. Which are the examples of alliteration?
Dust declare.
Wisest and, yes, you will write down dust, declare, and wisest, wizard. Okay, so this is alliteration. This is repetition of this sound. Okay, so I don't think so that you will forget it. What is alliteration? Okay, next question. According to the poet, what nobody, according to the poet, what nobody could have predicted. What nobody could have predicted. Yes, what nobody could have predicted. Yes, now tell me what nobody could have predicted. What nobody could have predicted, that what would happen to him, what kind of experience he would have there at Lyoness. This nobody could have predicted. Okay, right? Not even the wisest prophet as well as the wizard could have predicted that what would happen to him during his, you can say, stay at Lyoness or during his visit at Lyoness. This clear now? Nobody is speaking. What happened? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. So now let us move to the third one. Third extract. Let us do. I think now the poem is very much clear to you with each and every meaning. Am I right? Because I got to know. When I returned, it is magic in my eyes. Magic in my eyes. So, what happened, or what two things happened? Happened to the poet when he returned from Lyonesse. So what two things happened to the poet when he returned from Lyonesse? Yes, what two things happened to the poet? Yes, give the answer. What two things happened to the poet? All have muted themselves. Yes,
There was attainment of wisdom and knowledge.
there was
Attainment of wisdom and knowledge.
okay. There was attainment of wisdom and knowledge. Okay, the poet comes out to be, there was a magical spark in his eyes. Right? Okay. So two things that were noticed for the poet was that there was a magical surprise or magical light in his eyes, and then what was there? Then there was a crumpled piece of paper. Okay, crumpled. This is crumpled, means folded. On okay, crumpled piece of paper on which he has written a poem. State the meaning of fathomless. What is the meaning of fathomless? Yes, what is the meaning of this word fathomless?
So deep,
Yes, what is
so deep that it can't be measured.
yes. So what is the meaning of this word fathomless? This word fathomless means, it means so deep that cannot be measured. Okay, it cannot be measured. Right? State or explain the meaning of magic in my eyes. Yes, what it means, magic in my eyes. State the meaning of magic in my eyes. What is the meaning of this word, of this phrase, magic in my eyes? What it means? Yes. What it means, magic in my eyes.
Means he was being enlightened.
Yes, he was enlightened. It means there was attainment of enlightenment and he was filled with wisdom. Okay. Darkness was dispelled. Okay, darkness was dispelled. Dispelled means driven away, moved away from his life, and he has turned out to be knowledgeable. After understanding this poem, what message you have inferred? Inferred means what message you have got. What message you have got? What
That no one can foretell your future. Your experience would tell.
no, speak again, I'm not getting. What message you have got? Speak again.
That no one can foretell your future.
Hmm.
Only experiences will tell.
Okay, yes, that nobody can foretell your future. Only your experiences will make your journey more fruitful. And moreover, after that, it is also been explained in this chapter that even a short visit to a place can bring about big changes in your life. Means every journey or every visit to a place, it finally comes with an outcome. You definitely get some experience and you definitely come out to have one or the other experience after visiting a place. Okay. So sometimes our short visits, how insignificant the journey is. Okay, see in this poem, how insignificant his journey was to that place. That is, he was just going for restoration of a church, and as an apprentice architect, he was just supervising the work there. But what great impact does it have on his life that his entire life has changed. He has come out with magical spell in his eyes, with magic in his eyes. So what it means that he has turned out to be enlightened. Okay, so explain this answer properly in a proper way. Okay, right? So what you all have to do, you all have to write down these extracts in your fair notebook. Okay, and after you can say writing these extracts, I think that you will have a complete understanding, okay, of the content. I don't think so now any problem is there with you, because each and every meaning I have got it here, okay, in the form of questions. And you can, when you will read these extracts in exams, you will be easily be able to come out with the answers. Okay, and any question can be asked. It's not like that only book questions can be asked, because you all have read the detail of the chapters, and all the chapters, they have been done quite in detail. So ultimately what is there, that any question can be asked to you, okay, from any of the, you can say, text. Okay, especially poems. Now in poems, you know that very, you can say, limited questions are there, okay, and which are very easier ones. So for that purpose, any question can be asked from the poem. It is just for that reason that I have made you write the extracts, so that you will have a clear and deep understanding of the poem. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that's all for today. And now if you have any doubts, you can ask me.